It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Jordan 11 Retro Gratitude. All right, y'all. I think this is my last time doing a video on these Gratitudes, man. My wife hit on them. My wife wanted these shoes. She said, baby, I got to have these shoes. So she hit, man, on the Hibbett app. And I went with her, drove up there to Hibbett. And we got there just in time, man, cause after we got in line, we turned around 2-3 minutes later, the line was damn near out the door. Everybody trying to come in and get their shoes, man. So yeah, I already did a unboxing on these twice. The first video, a friend of mine hit on Shock Drop. The second video, I hit exclusive access. And my wife hit on the raffle. And these shoes are sold out. I don't even have to look. They are sold out. But I did go on StockX, see their resale value went up a little bit, man. So, and I was thinking about putting the raffle in for another pair, you know, but I said, nah, cause there's some other shoes that I'm trying to get next week. So, let's do it again, y'all. Let's go. Beautiful box, beautiful box. Wax paper, whatever that say. Woo. I just can't stop. Look. What I should have did when I went to go get these at Hibbett for my wife today, I should have had my Gratitudes on feet. You know what I'm saying? Everybody would have been looking like, man, this boy. But yeah, this boy just showing off. Yeah, man. So this is size 9, y'all. Size 9. All right, and like I said on my previous video, compared to the Jordan 11 Concords, there's things about these I like better than those. I love the upper. I love the leather upper than that mesh upper. But let me show y'all my size 11 and a half. His and hers, his and hers. So yeah, man, this is mine, 11 and a half. This is my wife's size 9. And I love these shoes better than the Concords, man. And if you haven't seen my previous video, I'm gonna show you how the Concords look, how my Concords look. So here's my Concords right here, man. And when these shoes dropped 2018, you couldn't tell me nothing, man, because I'm like, damn, these shoes nice. And then you know they raised the patent leather up a little bit compared to the old patent leather. When these came out, oh man, you couldn't tell me nothing. Now don't get me wrong, this mesh upper's clean, brand new. But when you wear them and that stuff start turning and get dingy and yellow, it's a problem. If you waste something on these, you waste some juice or some ketchup on this mesh upper, you have a problem. But if you waste some juice or something on this leather, I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be compared to these, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if the Gratitudes is my top 3 shoes of the year, Jordans of the year. I'm not gonna say shoes, but I say it's in my top 5. But I will tell you one shoe that's top 3 when it comes to Jordans this year, and that's the orange and black 12s. The orange and black 12, these right here. Orange and black 12, all right? So we're not gonna do our own feet. My wife, but she in there cooking, and it got too late, man. But I'm pretty sure y'all seen how these shoes look on feet. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, even mine. But yeah, man, these shoes, they did a great job, man. A great job with this shoe. I can't name one thing I don't like about this shoe. love it. They got it right. They got it right. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.